So the next function of complex variables we want to look at is raising a complex number to the power of another complex number. So for example, can we do I to the power I? So basically the way you do it is it's defined as z to the power c is defined as e to the power c times log z. The justification for that is that this expression here is always true. So if you raise z to the power 1 over n, then that's always equal to e to the 1 over n log z. And similarly, if you raise z to the power n, where n is sure, that's always equal to e to the n log z. So we've done those two special cases. So it seems logical to define the rest of the complex numbers, C in the set of big blackboard C, the set of all complex numbers, which includes the reals, in the same way. The principal value then of this is obviously going to be multi-valued because log z is multi-valued. If you want the principal value, then you simply take replace the log by the principal value of the log. So let's do, yes, maybe somewhat famous example. I to the power I. Turns out the principal value is actually a real number, somewhat surprisingly. So I to the power I. So that's e to the power. Okay, it's difficult to see which is which here. Obviously, it's going to be the z is I and the c is I. So you got I times log. Sorry, here I times log I. So log I is, well, log of its modulus 1, so log of 1 is 0, so you've just got I times the argument for the log bit. So it's going to be I is in the direction pi by 2, so we've got pi by 2 plus 2n pi all times I. That's the log bit, and then we've got this time also times I. So the i's give you minus 1 when you multiply them together, and you end up with this expression here, which is always real. So it's a infinite set of real numbers, in fact. And the principal value you just get when n equals 0 is e to the minus half pi. I'm not quite sure what applications I to the I has, but in a way it's just for fun. So question 7 you can now do. Note it has two parts. When it says find 1 minus I to the power 2i, that means find all possible values, and then it's asking finally which one of those is the principal value.